In today's video, I will walk you through how to use WaterC Special Blob in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the brush presets docker, search for WaterC Special Blob, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor blob effects. Increase the pressure to add stronger color and larger painted areas. Apply multiple strokes to build up the texture and create a more natural watercolor appearance. Use the color picker by holding Ctrl to sample nearby colors and continue painting with blended tones. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want lighter and softer effects. WaterC Special Blob is perfect when you want to create organic watercolor shapes with soft edges and textured color buildup. It is great for adding depth and natural painted details to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, abstract painting, backgrounds, landscapes, clouds, textures, and creating unique watercolor shapes. And that's how to use WaterC Special Blob in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.